DJI Mini 3. This compact and portable drone designed for beginners just might be love at first flight. Building upon the strengths of DJI's third-generation folding drone line, the Mini 3 delivers extended maximum flight time, 4K/60fps video recording, vertical shooting for social media, plus enhanced connectivity and intelligence in an under 249-gram body. This keeps registration simple in many regions. The lightweight and sturdy airframe now resistant to winds up to 38 miles per hour. Attached is a 3-axis stabilized camera featuring a 1/1 3-inch CMOS sensor with an aperture of f/1.7 and FOV of 82. This captures beautiful 12MP photos and high-quality video, consistently in a variety of shooting modes. You have full manual control over ISO, shutter speed, and more based on your creative needs. Intelligent shooting functions like focus track keep your subject automatically framed. Plus, the entire catalog of quick-shot pre-programmed video modes are available like Drone and Rocket. These help novice pilots smoothly grab complex cinematic shots. Transmitting clear video back to the pilot happens via the latest O3 system from DJI, which doubles the bandwidth of the older O2 system many competitors use. This allows for a crisp, low-latency feed at distances up to 6.2 miles. DJI's newly developed intelligent flight battery provides 31 minutes of flight time as well. For positioning and environmental awareness, an array of forward, downward, and rearward-facing sensors provide hovering stability and obstacle avoidance in many directions of travel. This gives peace of mind to beginner pilots while also enabling automated filming such as Active Track 4.0, which can recognize and trace subjects. If portability is key alongside a rich feature set, it's easy to see why the DJI Mini 3 is a fantastic drone tailored to newer pilots that produces great-looking aerial footage and images.